Hi friends, welcome to Art Time with Sugar. I'm Sugar, and today we are going to do a 4th of July episode. We are going to read the fun book 4th of July Mice, and we are going to create our own fireworks out of Play-Doh. Doesn't that sound fun? So grab your Play-Doh and get ready to read, create, and be kind. Do you like fireworks? I do. Do you like parades and picnics and other summer fun? Well, in our story today, these little mice are getting ready for a really big 4th of July celebration. Are you ready to read? Let's do it. Today we are reading 4th of July Mice. Parading mice march left, right, left. Waving flags, red, white, and blue. Can you pretend to wave a flag? Bang, toot, clang, happy 4th. Mr. Mouse marches too. What colors do you see? Hungry mice, left, right, stop. It's time to eat. What's for lunch? Sunflower seeds, pass the cheese. Munch, 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 crunch, crunch, crunch. Would you go to that picnic? Does that sound good to you? Now let's play ball. Toss the ball. Whack, smack, run, 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 run. Let's have a race. 4 mice in sacks. Hop, hop, plop. Oh, what fun! Have you ever done a sack race before? 3 hot mice in red, white, and blue. Plunk, dunk, 1, 2, 3. 1 scared mouse stays on the bank, shaking, quaking. No, not me. 3 wet mice dip, float, glide. Drip, flop, flip, splash, splosh, slide. That looks fun. 1 dry mouse sits on a rock. Mr. Mouse sails, glide, ride. Stop, Mr. Mouse, you've gone too far. Oh no, what to do? A brave little mouse jumps right in. I can swim. 3 cheers for you. 4 happy mice sparkle on a log. Is mouse fun done this 4th of July? I don't think so. What do we still need to see? Oh, that's right, fireworks. Look in the sky. Boom, boom, boom. We love America. Hooray, hooray! That story made me so excited for all the 4th of July celebrations. Do you love to watch fireworks? I do too. Let's pretend to watch them together. Ooh! Ah! Is that what you say when you see them? Sometimes they get a little loud, but they sure are pretty. So now grab your Play-Doh and let's make our own pretend fireworks. For today, we are going to use Play-Doh. Now, I have red, white, and blue Play-Doh, but you don't have to have these colors, okay? You can use any color Play-Doh that you have. Also, if you do not have any Play-Doh at home, on Art Time with Sugar, we have a quick recipe that you and your adult can make using just flour, water, and sugar. So I've got my Play-Doh, I've got a mat to protect the table that I'm working on, and I also grabbed just a couple of like a plastic fork, plastic knife, plastic spoon. I may end up using these, I may not, we'll see. Let's make our fireworks. So I'm going to grab just a little bit of this red, if I can get the lid off this, oh, it's a new one, this red Play-Doh, and I am going to make it into a ball. Okay, I'm just gonna roll it in between my hands get it to where it's soft. The warmth in your hands will make the Play-Doh a little bit easier to use. So I'm just gonna roll it till I get a ball. And then I'm gonna put it on my mat, and I'm just going to squish it. Not too hard, just gonna squish it a little. Okay, there we go. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna start pulling some pieces out so that it looks like a firework. Actually, I may pick it up a little bit and just start making, I'm just pinching. That's all I'm doing. Just pinching to make it look more like a firework. That's cute. I'm gonna press it down just a little bit more. Oh, that's cute. That's a cute way to make a firework. Okay, now we can also, maybe this firework can be the one further back in the sky. Now, the next thing that we can do is we can take another little bit of Play-Doh and let's make this one into a snake. Let's just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Sometimes I use two hands so that I can get it a little more even. Okay, I like that. Let's make another snake using some white. I may use all the colors in this firework. Go here, let me move that. Let's make another snake. As it gets longer, you can use two hands so that you can keep it even. There we go. We got two. And of course, we've got to get our blue. Let's make a blue snake. There we go. Let's keep rolling. So the 4th of July is a holiday where lots of people celebrate with family, food, music, and fireworks. That's why we are making some fireworks today. Okay, so that looks good. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide that into two, and let's start making, I may divide this one into three. Okay, friends, my dog may start barking in a minute. Don't be scared. Okay, there's another one. Let's do some more with this one. I'm trying to get them about the same length. There we go. So now let's just start making it look like a firework. Exploding in the sky. Oh my goodness, let's give it a center. Here, let's use some red. Didn't use very many red pieces. Let's just give it a center. I'm just gonna make another ball and I'm gonna press that into the middle. Now, if you wanted to get super fancy, you could, have you seen those fireworks where they explode and then they go, they look like they're falling from the sky? You could take the ends and just kind of turn them a little. Like they're falling from the sky. How cute. Now, we could also make like a star if you want to get super fancy. Star's going to be a lot like this one where we have to do some pinching. Okay, so I'm making a ball. Okay, I'm gonna squish it just a little bit, and I'm gonna pinch here, gonna pinch here, gonna pinch here. Okay, see how that's looking so far? And then I need to pinch two more places. One here, and one here. That gives us a little star, then you can press it down. There we go. Now, Friends, you can get as fancy and as big as you want to get. If you want to create a flag, wouldn't that be so pretty? Or if you want to do more tiny stars, more tiny fireworks, maybe you want to do some little flags, or you could even create the little mice watching the fireworks. Wouldn't that be so fun? Friends, thank you so much for joining me today for this holiday 4th of July episode of Art Time with Sugar. You used your creativity and your imagination to celebrate, and I love that. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up, and subscribe to Sugar's channel for more weekly fun. Until next time, friends, don't forget to read, create, and be kind. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.